Welcome to the second video of RIV Academy's elementary series. In this video, we'll discuss decentralized finance. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a system that uses blockchain technology to create a new way of managing financial transactions. Thanks to the use of blockchain technology, decentralized finance offers many advantages over traditional finance. These include the implementation of cryptocurrencies and tokens, increased privacy and confidentiality, the ability to create tokens on the blockchain that represent real-world goods and services through tokenization, complete independence from traditional financial intermediaries, the opportunity for companies and startups to expand their market by entering this ecosystem. The most common question we receive is, how do I buy cryptocurrencies and how does it work? When you decide to buy cryptocurrencies, you need to exchange them for the money you have in the bank, and this is where a financial intermediary, called an exchange, comes into play. There are two types of exchanges, centralized and decentralized. These two types of exchanges are very different. While a centralized exchange is a technological platform managed by a company that earns percentages on every transaction executed, a decentralized exchange represents a completely autonomous organization based on a smart contract that determines all decisions and actions taken without the need for human intervention. However, remember that decentralized finance is not a magic wealth generator. It's a very dangerous world intended for experienced individuals. At RIV Academy, we can help you understand all aspects of decentralized finance so that you can navigate this ocean of possibilities with the utmost security. The best way indeed is to understand the technology at a deep level. And with this knowledge, you will be able to analyze and evaluate the opportunities this world offers on your own. By purchasing a membership of RIV Academy, you will have access to exclusive and detailed content. Don't miss the opportunity to always be one step ahead in this continuously evolving ecosystem. Make an investment in your education and secure an advantage in the world of... Join us and become a crypto master.